Hey, let's make chicken stock. Yesterday I showed you how to butcher a chicken, and if you missed that one, I'll pin it to the top of my page for the next little bit. But for chicken stock, first things first, we need to prep what's referred to as mirepoix, which refers to a mixture of 50% onion, 25% carrot, and 25% celery. And we're gonna cut this all fairly large because we want it to simmer in our stock for at least a few hours. And this is my chicken carcass from yesterday's video, but if you don't want to butcher your own chicken, the easiest way to do it is to buy one of those already roasted chickens at your grocery store, pick all the meat off that you want, and then use those bones. I have rinsed this carcass under cold water just to clean it up a little bit. A good rule of thumb is for every pound of chicken bones, start with about 10 cups of water. It'll yield you somewhere between a quart and 2 quarts of finished stock. I need to go get 2 more cups of water. Then we're gonna place this over low to medium heat and bring it to a simmer. When I make stock, I like to let the bones go for 45 minutes to an hour all by themselves before I add any other ingredients. And if you can see down here, we want this thing to just be simmering. You'll see a little bit of bubbles. So if you can, keep your heat adjusted so this thing is barely simmering. And also this foam that forms on the top is referred to as scum. So you can keep something like a perforated spoon around. So you can scoop this out. And I have a little bit of water in here. It'll help rinse the spoon off so I can reuse it again. But we're now ready to add our mirepoix, along with a couple bay leaves, a handful of peeled garlic cloves, and some parsley. But this is a great spot for thyme or rosemary, but keep in mind the more plain you keep your stock, the more versatile it will be, and the more things you can use it for. Then just let this barely simmer for at least another 2 hours. Oh, and you can roast all this stuff ahead of time, and you'll make brown stock. And after about 3 to 4 hours, you can strain your liquid gold. Oh, and also after this is strained, you can reduce it as much as you want, freeze it in ice cube trays, and now you've made your own homemade bouillon cubes. And follow me if you like that feeling when your lips stick together.